She's in this with me. So I just wanted to give you all a little recap on the Derm.one Skin and Blemish Corrector, because for anyone who saw it yesterday, my pimple was huge. And so today it's basically gone. I know I have some makeup on, but literally it's like flat. I don't even feel it. So I thought that was just really exciting. And so I wanted to just open it back up and show y'all one more time, because I'm going to put it on before I go to bed soon. So I'm going to go grab my cotton swab. Sit everyone with our viewer on here. So basically, like I said before, this is just amazing. It's part of the 3-step system. Ooh, I'm gonna flip it over here. Looks like this, and it comes in a super fancy little packaging. I like that because everything else I've seen just looks kind of boring, and this is, look at this too.
That's pretty cool.
It's fancy, and all you have to do for it is you literally open up this little cap like this, and I'm gonna put it on before I go to bed again. So you just take and you do a tiny little dot. You barely have to put any on. And that's it. So easy. Literally the difference from yesterday is crazy. Like, I've never had something that worked this fast, so I'm kind of shocked about it. I think probably by tomorrow at this rate it will be gone. So I'm happy. And yeah, this has just been life-changing in a day. I don't know how it happened, but I just wanted to come on here and show y'all one more time. Once again, let me see. Basically, the discount on here is 15%, which is pretty nice because this is already pretty cheap. So instead of $22.95, you can get it for $19.50 through Spin, which is so nice. I would highly recommend getting it. It's only going to be up for a few more days now. Like yesterday, I think it said like 3 days. So I would definitely hop on it soon if you haven't already. But yeah, there's not much more to it. You can watch my one from yesterday where I talked all about it. But I just want to show y'all like more of the results from today. So let me know if you guys have any questions. And thank you so much. Once again, it's the Derm.one Health and Wellness for 15% off on Spin. Thanks, guys.
Bye. Who's on it?